everyone, welcome back. If the crypto.com app isn't working, try this first. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the crypto.com app and then swipe it away. Next, you're going to go ahead and reopen it. Then head over to your app store, search for crypto.com and check for app updates. Issues like your app not working happens because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always make sure to update your app to the latest version. Then you're going to restart your phone. Now if the issue persists, you're going to reinstall the app. Long press on the crypto.com app icon, click on remove app, delete app, then delete the app. To reinstall, open your app store again, search for the app and then download it. Once downloaded, temporary outages resolve quickly, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.